So to connect to the Wi-Fi, you'll go to your settings. Once you have located settings, go to connections, click on Wi-Fi. You can switch it on over there. Whichever network you have connected to previously, you will connect to automatically. Let's click on the little setting icon next to the Wi-Fi name, and there you can see all your settings. We can click on view more. You can see your IP address and MAC address. If you do want to delete the Wi-Fi, you can just place on forget. If you have forgotten your Wi-Fi password and you want to connect another device to the Wi-Fi, go to the QR code, click on the QR code, and you can now connect another device to your Wi-Fi by using this QR code. You can also save as an image and connect all your devices using the QR code if you do not know the password. To connect to a Wi-Fi using the QR code, all you need to do is click the little button on the top right corner that looks like a QR code. It will open up the camera, and once it's done that, just scan the QR code of the network you want to connect to, and it should now connect. And there you have it. It's now connecting to the Wi-Fi using the QR code. No password needed. You can also access your Wi-Fi settings accessing the notification bar. Over there you'll see a little Wi-Fi symbol. You can switch the Wi-Fi off and you can switch it on from there, or you can just press and hold and it will take you directly to the Wi-Fi settings from there. You can also turn Wi-Fi on automatically when you're in a location where you usually will use Wi-Fi. All you need to do is go to advanced, and then you'll see turn on Wi-Fi automatically. So all you need to do is enable that, and if you need to manage the networks you have already connected to, you can go to manage networks, and over there you'll see all your saved networks. You can delete or forget the old ones if you do not use them anymore.